Okay, we're here at Universal Studios, Taste of Universal, and we went and got this Spiced Cashew Brittle. And this is at a few places in the park, but I got it at Hollywood and Dine, and it's like $6. So I would just pay for it rather than to use your tab, unless you have like a couple extra tabs left over, and all you want to do is just get some stuff for to take home. So let's see what this is. It has supposedly pumpkin spice in it. It is also not just, it's like sealed too. So, oh, there's the pumpkin spice there. Very sweet. You taste the pumpkin spice. And there's the cashews. Let's see. It's lighter than a normal peanut brittle. It's like yellow almost. I'm not sure why. Very crunchy. If you like brittle, you'll probably like this. If you like pumpkin spice, you might like this too. It is very sweet though. It's getting stuck in my teeth. So anyway, if you want to try some brittle, this is actually very good. So I can't remember which other stores had it, but it was at Hollywood and Dine, or Dine, Hollywood and Dine. So I'm gonna take another bite, and I will see you in the next one.
Ba 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 na na, ba 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 na na, oh ba.